Good morning! No? Not today? You're not gonna do it? Oh. Okay. What is up, you guys? Hope you're all having a great day, good afternoon, good night, good morning, good whatever time you have decided to watch this video. I hope your day is going amazeballs. So I'm really excited because I get a puppy. No, I'm just kidding. Alex is finally getting a puppy. He doesn't really know what that word means just yet, but he knows when he sees it. But we're really excited. You know, me and Adoni have come to the conclusion that, you know, he doesn't need it, but we want him to grow up loving animals. You know, we have a lot of animals at home. Really? That's how you feel? That's how you feel? That's really mean. He has no idea. Oh my god, this kid is gonna give me a run for my money. Anyway, so we're really excited to give him the surprise. You know, he has a lot of animals at home. You know, we have, you know, a dog, we have a new kitty, you know, we have a guinea pig, a rabbit, a hamster. We just have all kinds of animals, and he has none to call his. So he's at an age right now where he's exploring, you know, what type of animals he likes, and I feel like it just brings out the best in people, you know, being gentle, showing him how to be kind. You know, I'm not gonna give him the responsibility part of it. I just want him to see that, you know, having an animal is okay. Because I've grown up with animals since I was a baby. You know, I've always had an animal. You know, just recently I had to let go of my puppy Mia, but that's for another video. But we're really excited. So yeah, let's go introduce Mr. Isaiah to his newfound best friend. Okay, so Adoni still isn't here with the present, so we're just here waiting for him. So we're gonna wait for him, and let's see how long he takes. The time has come. Adoni, wait, are you okay? Almost had an accident. He's already saying bye to the park because he sees his dad. He has no idea. I am so super excited. You ready?
Daddy.
Are you ready? Who is that?
Daddy.
It's Daddy. Let's go see him.
Honey.
Oh, you like your puppy?
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. Touch it gently. I see gentle. Gentle. You want to go on the slide with him? He says he wants to go on the slide with him. Yeah, we're gonna go on the slide, baby. So yeah, guys, we're gonna eat. And oh, you dropped his drink. We're gonna eat, and then we're gonna go play on the park. I'm so happy for him. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you tell Daddy? Say thank you, Daddy. Give him a kiss. Oh, Riley wants a kiss too.
Yeah.
You like him? Say I love you. Gentle. Hey, gentle. You gotta be gentle with
careful,
him.
Daddy. Be careful.
He's still a baby. Yeah, right now we're gonna go in the slide, okay? It's okay. Hi, baby. Oh, he's beautiful. How much did you say? How old was he?
7 weeks.
Okay, so this is Riley.
High five.
He's 7 weeks.
Alex.
Oh, don't fall,
High five.
Riley. And the what I fell in love about him is that he has just a touch of white. That's what I like. Okay, but we're gonna eat because
No.
it's getting late.
No.
Say, come on, Riley. No, no, no. Así no. Come on, say, come on, Riley.
La la li.
Come on, Riley. Come on, Riley. Come on, Riley. Oh. Gentle, baby, gentle. Gentle. You gotta be gentle. Oh. What's wrong, Riley? Hmm? What's wrong, Riley? Hey, Isaiah, come here. Who said you could go over there? Come here. Isaiah? He's walking away.
Why?
He's not supposed to. What if you weren't there?
Hey, Daddy. You can't be walking away like that.
Mommy.
What? Yes, you grab Mommy's hand and then we can leave.
There we go, Daddy. Come on.
That's how we
Let's
leave.
go. Come on. Come on. Come on, Riley. Come on. Come on, Riley. Lila, come on. Come on, Riley.
He's like, what about you? Come on, Riley.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Come on, Riley.
Come on, Riley.
Come on, Riley. All right, guys, so this is where we're going to go ahead and end the vlog. Alex, are you happy about your new puppy? Your puppy. And we'll see you next time on Cassandra Vlogs. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And would you like to do the honors? Say goodnight.
Night.
Me for trying, you know I'd be lying saying